Hey guys, so one of my most popular videos on my gaming channel was actually soldering with Vaseline, where I go in and compare fake fluxes versus real fluxes and see what the differences are between them. And at the very end of that, I actually soldered with Vaseline, which is widely associated with fake flux. So today I'm going to just focus on the Vaseline aspect of it and why you probably shouldn't do that, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to be using Amtech Flux to start off with, and a hot air station to solder on one of these capacitors on my usual little project board. So let me go down and start down here and start preheating the board. Ten pads. Okay, sorry about that. I need to focus on my camera a little bit so you can see that better. Go. And where's my little capacitor? There you are, guy. That's more flux. Let's see if I can get my whole hand in here. God, I'm shaky. Okay, she is in. Let's get that down. Switch my hands here. One thing that is like my biggest pet peeve here is getting that sucker flat. She is in. So there. A little heavy on the solder, but it's there. Painless process, right? So there you go. That is with Amtech. Not messy, nice and pretty. So now, what you all been waiting for, Vaseline. I'm gonna go probably C6 right there, where it's kind of, no, Amtech's over there. Bump up my heat. By Amtech. Hello, Vaseline. Now, it comes in a tub, so I'm going to have to get something to get that out with. Spudger. This is what I used last time. I'm going to take big whopping hub. That junk right there. Can you see it? Yeah, that's solid Vaseline. And put her on there. You need to get that shit on there. Kind of just melting on there because my board's already hot. You can kind of see it flowing over it. Give me a capacitor. Kind of over there. Alright, here we go. Heat's coming. Going for C6. think anymore. My hot air blew it off. God, it's stuck. Well, if that's not enough, I don't know what it is. Alright, well. Ugh. Nasty. Let's see if I can go and tin those pads. Not hot enough yet. There we go. Should we see that? Okay, so pads are tinned relatively easy. Capacitor's stuck to my tweezers. Okay. Hot air's coming in. Drop the capacitor. Okay. Oh, sorry. There she is. See it moving. So she is stuck. Looks. Whoa. What in the hell? I think. Oh, it's my board. Oh, there's a piece of crap. There's a practice board. But she is there. So. Okay, so let's see what we got here as an end product. C3 is right there. Get that zoomed in a little better. Not really any residue. Some flux residue come off rather easy. And then that. A little crusty looking, not pretty at all. So, this kind of gets back to the reason we use flux in the first place. You got to realize this stuff, solder has flux in it already. The reason you use flux is to keep contaminants out, which is a property of real flux. Vaseline don't have that, so you might as well just not use it at all. It's going to contaminate your freaking solder joints. So the point is to keep like air out, keep your joint clean when you're using flux. Vaseline might kind of look like it. It might kind of act like it when you're soldering, but it's not doing what flux does, which is keep the crap clean, which is why that solder joint looks probably a little nasty looking up here at C6. So yeah, don't use Vaseline to solder. I see you guys are looking it up a lot. I see a lot of questions asking about in the forums like homemade flux. Just buy real flux, buy like good Amtech, so you don't wind up with that right there, because that looks nasty. So there's a short video on why to use real flux, and thanks for watching, guys.